Hello there everybody, it's Jonathan Pollinger of Intranet Future with the Social Today show. Could be sounding a bit echoey today because I'm down in Cardiff. Haven't got the microphone with me today, but do have the benefit of 200 megabyte broadband courtesy of Virgin Media, which I've just set up and installed this morning. So should certainly be coming to you in well, hopefully even in high definition with that sort of quality of broadband from the Virgin Media connection here in Cardiff. So thanks everybody for joining. So yeah, Marcus, Matt, a few other people, Judy, a few other regulars joining in. Slightly more casual look today as I'm in the process of moving down to Cardiff and sorting out a few things here today. But I do have a really good tool for you that I think you'll enjoy if you have anything to do with creating and posting on social networks. So that tool is called oh, excellent! Glad it's nice and clear with the super fast connection. Thanks, Sue. I've not learnt Welsh yet, so I'm not sure. Hopefully, that's a greeting that you've given me there, Sue. But I couldn't totally be sure. So, without further ado, let's get on to the this tool. So this tool, I came across this about a month ago. It's called Drum Up. Okay, so Drum Up, all one word. Oh, it's good morning, is it? Excellent. Good afternoon, Jules. So Drum Up. To find it, you can help me a little bit for giving you this recommendation if you use this following link, and perhaps Sue or someone can type it in the comments. bit.ly/drumup, and it has to be a capital D and it has to be a capital U on Drum Up. So that's bit.ly/drum capital D up capital U. So if somebody could type that in the comments, that would be brilliant. I've just got a bit of an affiliate agreement set up with them, so you will help me keep the wool from the door if you use that particular link. That's it. Absolutely perfect. Thanks very much, Jules. Good morning, Jonathan. I'm on a job. How do I move forward? Feeling very done. Got a perfect person for you there. An excellent careers and job coach. Indeed, she calls herself the Dream Job Coach. Is Louise Jenner. So BD cool. Do check out Louise Jenner. I think if you just Google Louise Jenner, you will find her. LinkedIn is a great tool. Ran a workshop on LinkedIn earlier this week. Hi Judy. And it's great for getting sales, getting leads, networking, and also improving your career or getting a job if you're not currently employed. So just back to Drum Up, but do keep the questions and the comments going. Ellie, if you'd like my 100 LinkedIn tips, let me know and I'll send those over to you. Yeah, not quite. Jenner, Jenner, but Louise bit is right. Yes, Dream Job Coach, Louise Jenner. I'm sure if you Google that, you will find her. Not sure where you're based, BD Call, but she can certainly help you remotely. Even if you're not in the Gloucestershire region. London, that's fine. I'm sure she can help you in London. So Drum Up, what it does, it basically finds content for you and makes it easier to post it for you. It's a bit like the bit of it sounds like you need some training from me then, Ellie. So do get in touch about that. Have a look at my 100 LinkedIn tips. And if you'd like a one-to-one session on LinkedIn, do let me know. So Drum Up is that's a bit of a complicated question to answer, but certainly plenty of management roles on LinkedIn that would be available for you. Okay, so Drum Up is a bit like the feature that they withdrew on Buffer that helped you provide content. Basically, they used to suggest content for you on Buffer. So essentially, that's what Drum Up does. It's just content, and then you can put that into a schedule and post it, but all very, very easily. So let's Drum Up. So that's the logo there, Drum Up. You can basically add your accounts here, as you can see. And then what you do, if we come over to settings here on the right hand side, we're just in my Twitter account at the moment, and you can put in keywords like social media strategy, social media platforms, any social media pretty much. It supports, Drum Up supports LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. You can put in the number of posts you want to put in every day, put in your country, time zone, put in keywords that you don't want to include. And you can also get the stories by email. Well, great that you're sold already, Julies, because I haven't even shown you all the good stuff yet. So once you've set that up, here comes the content now. So on the basis of your keywords, the content should load any second. So here we are. So we've got a story about what salons need to know about social media in 2016. We've got another story here, how to build an audience long before you have a product. And what you can do is you can just stick it in the schedule by clicking this button here, or if you want a few more options, you can go to schedule here. And this is handy because it gives you the option to quickly add some useful hashtags like social media there, which I've done, and you can see that that's popped in up the top. You can even repeat posts, which is great, perhaps if it's your own blog post and you want to repeat that out. And as mentioned, you can stick it on other accounts as well if you want to post out to other accounts. So that one's ready to go, and there we go. Obviously, ideally you want to try and read as much about the content, read as many of the articles as you can, because people might talk to you about them online. So I do generally like to at least skim read them before sending them out. If we now go into my queue, yeah, exactly, it is very good for even your own stuff. I'll show you how to add your own stuff in a second. So we've got a queue here, so you can see I've got 2 posts ready to go out. The one that I just selected just now, and if you want to edit these or delete them, if you change your mind, you can do that. So if you want your let's just go back to content. If you want to add your own blog post, Julies, this is what you do. You can go into feeds and you can add in your own feed here. So I haven't actually done this yet, but let's see if we can try and add one. So if I go in here and I put in http://intranetfuture.com/feeds or /feed. Hopefully, let's see, click add, and we'll see if that works. Give that a second or two to work. Whilst that's working away, you can see on the left hand side I've got other accounts that I've got set up here. So I've got my own personal Facebook there. You can add Facebook pages if you want. I've got LinkedIn, I've got my Laptop Friday Twitter account, and my Intranet Future Twitter account that we're just looking at. And there we go, it's picked up the feed. I can then add that if I click add. Can you set up a page in this app rather than my actual personal? Yes, you can. You can certainly add an own page. Right, okay, we're done. So there we go. So I have now added all the posts. Unfortunately, it's not pulling in pictures for some reason. So I've now added all the posts from my blog on Intranet Future. So if I want to tweet out my predictions for 2016, let's just do that with a one-click this time. So go to one-click and done. As easy as that. So really easy to get in your own content. Yeah, I don't think it's a Wi-Fi issue. My Wi-Fi issue should be super fast here, but it's a technical reason it's not picking up the preview images there. You can for yourself, I say, yeah, possibly, yeah. I'm coming to you from Cardiff today. If you can create a post also, just like Buffer, you can basically go in here. You've got your social media accounts. You can add a picture there, and you can put in your text there. And I think that is pretty much it. So if you enjoyed that quick tour of Drum Up, and that link again, yeah, it's easy enough to cancel Matt. I think you can just basically, it's just a month by month basis. There is a charge. There's a varying fee structure. They did me a favour, so I'm not sure what the standard charges are, I'm afraid. But if you go to bit.ly.com/drumup, so that's capital D, capital U, you will be able to find out all about their great tool, which I have to say they do seem to be improving all the time, which is good news. So hopefully you'll follow that link, bit.ly.com/drumup, capital D, capital U, and that will help me and my relationship with Drum Up. Oh, welcome, Rich. Good to have you here today, broadcasting to you from Cheltenham. From Cardiff, actually, sorry, Cheltenham, Cardiff. You're in Cheltenham, I'm in Cardiff. It's easy to get confused. I think that's pretty much it today. I will try and get in a quick interview tomorrow. I'm doing a workshop on Facebook at Gloucester Enterprise tomorrow in Twigworth, and I'll try and get an interview with one of the people that work there, so they can tell you about training courses that they offer in Gloucestershire. So we'll see how we go with that. Hello, Darren Farrar. Welcome to the show. So it's all about social media for those people that have just joined lately. Today, we are looking at a tool because it's Thursday. Mondays we look at news. Tuesdays I'll let you have a tip. Wednesdays it's an example or a case study. Today it's a tool, and we've looked at Drum Up. That's bit.ly.com/drum, capital D, capital U, up. And tomorrow hopefully we'll have an interview. Just quickly before I go, I did spot on Facebook yesterday that something I think I might well have predicted in my blog post for 2016, that despite the Facebook testing a built-in shop on a couple of Facebook pages in the UK. So if you're in retail at all, that's definitely something to watch out for. Or if you're selling anything via e-commerce, or currently using a third-party shop on Facebook, definitely look out for this built-in shop feature. It looks really cool, right at the top of a Facebook page, and you can basically sell products. People can buy your products from within Facebook. They don't have to go anywhere else, don't have to go to your website or anything. They can just click and buy. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you very much for yeah. It makes it, if you're into shopping, Julie, it could be a bit of a bit of an issue for you, because they are making it very easy to shop. And Twitter are doing the same in the States at the moment, and will also be doing the same in the UK soon. So I hope to be back with that interview tomorrow. Whatever you're doing today, have a good one. I'm busy in Cardiff today, sorting out the place where Sarah and I are moving into. So that's all for now, folks. Have a great day.